Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will start with question number 1 of exercise 1.2 chapter first real number. In this question we have to express every number as a product of its prime factors. Simply we have to find out prime factors, and in the end we have to check that the product of their prime factors must be equal to the number. So first number is 140. We will find out prime factors starting with table 2. 2 7s are 14, 2 zeros are 0, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 5 7s are 35, 7 1s are 7. These are the prime factors of 140. We will write down 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. We can write these 2's as 2 square, multiply by 5, multiply by 7. So in the end we have to see product of these prime factors must be equal to the number. So product of these prime factors is 140. This is the simplest question of this chapter. Fourth part, number is 5005. We have to find prime factors of this number. We will start with table 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros 0, 5 1s are 5. Then this will be divisible by table of 7. 7 1s are 7. Remaining is 3, which will be carried over here. That will become 30. 7 4s are 28. Remaining will be 2, which will be carried over here. That will become 21. 7 3s are 21. Then this will be divisible by 11. 11 1s are 11. Remaining 3, that will be carried over here. This will become 33. 11 3s are 33. 13 1s are 13. So these are the prime factors of number 5005. These are the prime factors. 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. In the end we have to see product of every prime factor must be equal to that number. So product of these numbers will be 5005. Now second question is, find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that product of LCM and HCF of those two numbers must be equal to product of those two numbers. So first question is 26 and 91. We have to find HCF and LCM of these two numbers and prove and verify that product of their LCM and HCF will be equal to product of these two numbers. Firstly, we will find out prime factors of each number. 26, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 16, 13 1s are 13, 91, 7 1s are 7. Remaining 2 will be carried out here, which will become 21. 7 3s are 21, 13 1s are 13. So prime factors of 26 are 2 into 13. Prime factors of 91 are 7 into 13. To find out LCM of 26 and 91 together, we will multiply prime factors of both these numbers. 2 multiply by 7 multiply by 13. We will take 13 only one time. Okay, so LCM will be multiplication of these three numbers, which will come 182. And HCF means highest common factor. We have to find highest common factor. So here 13 is the highest common factor. Here also 13 is the highest common factor. So HCF of 26 and 91 will be 13. Now we have to verify that product of LCM and HCF of these two numbers 26 and 91 must be equal to product of these two numbers. So what is the LCM? 182. 182 multiply by HCF. What is the HCF? 13. This must be equal to product of these two numbers. Numbers are 26 and 91. Okay, 26 and 91. By multiplying these two numbers, we will get 2366. By multiplying these two numbers, we will get 2366. This is hence proved. Now third question is, we have to find LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying prime factorization method. First is 12, 15 and 21. We have to find prime factors of these numbers, and then we have to find LCM and HCF of these numbers together. So prime factors of 12 are 2, 2 and 3, 15 are 3 and 5, 21 are 3 and 7, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. We will write down prime factors of each number. 12 prime factors are 2 into 2 into 3. We can write this as 2 square multiply by 3. Prime factors of 15 are 3 multiply by 5. Prime factors of 21 is 3 multiply by 7. Okay, firstly we have to find out LCM of these three numbers together. We will take common number. Common prime factor is 3. Here also 3, here also 3. So we will take common prime factor only one time, 3. Multiply. Now we will take remaining numbers. Remaining number is 2 square. 2 square, here 5, here 7. So the product of these prime factors will be the LCM. Okay. 2 square is 4. 4 multiply by 5. 4 5s are 20. 20 multiply by 3 will be 60. 60 multiply by 7 will be 7 zeros are 0. 7 6 are 42. So 420 is the LCM of these numbers 12 and 15 and 21. And HCF will be highest common factor. We have to find highest common factor. What is the common factor here? 3 is the common factor, and we will consider this as the highest common factor. So HCF is 3. Now second part, numbers are 17, 23 and 29. We have to find out LCM and HCF by using prime factors. So we will first find out prime factors of each number. So prime factor of 17 will be 17 ones are 17, 23 will be 23 ones are 23, 29 will be 29 ones are 29, 17 prime factor is 17, 23's prime factor is 23, 29's prime factor is 29. So LCM will be product of their prime factors. So prime factors are 17 multiply by 23 multiply by 29. So 17 multiply by 23. This will be 3 9 1. Okay, multiply by remaining, which is 29. 391 multiply by 29, which will come 11339. Now highest common factor of 17, 23, 29. So there is no common prime factor. So we will consider 1 as the common highest prime factor. Okay. Next question is, given that HCF of 306 and 657 is 9. Find LCM of 306, 657. We have to use formula which we already know, that product of LCM and HCF of two numbers must be equal to product of those two numbers. So we have to find LCM. HCF we have here is 9. Product of those two numbers. So those two numbers are 306 and 657. So product of these two numbers, 306 multiplied by 657. We can do rough work here. 657 multiplied by 306. 6 sevens are 42. 4 carried away. 6 fives are 30 plus 4, 34. 3 will be carried. 6 6 are 36 plus 3, 39. 0 will be multiplied by all these three digits. 3 sevens are 21. 2 will be carried away. 3 fives are 15 plus 2, 17. 1 will be carried over. 6 threes are 18 plus 1, 19. We will add all these numbers. 2, 4, 10, 1 carry. 10, 11, 1 carry. 10, 1 carry, 2. So LCM multiplied by 9 is equals to 201042. LCM will be 201042 divided by 9. So we will divide this number by 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. Remaining 2 will be carried forward. This 1 will become 21. 9 twos are 18. Remaining 3 will be carried over here, and this 0 will become 30. 9 threes are 27. Remaining 3 will be carried over here. This 4 will become 34. Again 9 threes are 27. Remaining 7 will be carried over here, and this 2 will become 72. 9 eights are 72. So LCM will be 22338.